Growing mushrooms at home is incredibly rewarding, but it takes the right care to get those perfect fungi. In this video, I'm going to share some essential tips on maintaining the perfect environment for your mushrooms and how to troubleshoot common issues like mold or poor growth. Let's make sure your mushrooms grow healthy and strong. Maintaining the ideal environment. Mushrooms have specific needs for humidity, temperature, and light. Here's how to create the ideal conditions. Humidity mushrooms thrive in high humidity, around 80–90%. Mist your grow area daily and consider using a humidity dome or plastic cover to retain moisture. Temperature. Most mushrooms prefer 65–75 degrees Fahrenheit. Check your variety's ideal range and keep your growing area consistent with a space heater or fan if needed. Light mushrooms don't need direct sunlight. Indirect or low light is enough to guide their growth, so a shaded room or low wattage bulb works well. Consistently meeting these conditions will keep your mushrooms healthy and productive. Common issues and how to fix them. Even with the best care, issues can arise. Here's how to address some common problems. Mold growth. If you see green or black mold, it's likely due to contamination or excess moisture. Fix. Remove the affected area with a clean tool, improve airflow, and ensure you're not overwatering. Poor growth or stalled mushrooms. This may result from low humidity or incorrect temperatures. Increase humidity with more frequent misting and adjust the temperature to your mushroom variety's preference. Leggy or misshapen mushrooms, caused by too much or too little light. Ensure there's some indirect light but avoid direct sunlight or darkness. Quickly identifying and solving these issues will help your mushrooms bounce back. Daily care routine consistency is key to success. Here's a simple daily care routine. Inspect your mushrooms. Look for any signs of mold or poor growth. Mist the substrate. Keep it damp but not soggy. Monitor temperature and humidity. Use a thermometer and hygrometer to stay within the ideal range. A few minutes of care each day will make all the difference in your harvest. By maintaining the right environment and addressing issues early, you'll ensure your mushrooms grow beautifully. With a little care and attention, you'll enjoy a bountiful harvest in no time. Have questions about caring for your mushrooms? Share them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mushroom cultivation. Let's grow something amazing together.